more can I say? Here's Jet. Just look at that support. A former national gymnast squad member, a professional dancer, actress and TV presenter. She's enough to make any young man turn cartwheels.
Gotta love it, love to fight and win. Do you feel the...
Now John Anderson is ready to get things rolling here.
Gladiators, ready! 3, 2, 1.
Event 5 is Hang Tough. Jet, a former national gymnast squad member. There's the famous Jet roll coming. That went down well with the fans in the audience. Facing Jet will be Vanda, who is yet to score in this event. And for the fans at home, Jet stats are 38, 25, 35. She stands a graceful 5'7".